Well, the most basic version I know of is Feynman's version, which essentially says particles are particles and they hop from place to place with a particular probability.
Exactly. I think, I've been saying that for years. Particles are particles the same way a cat is a cat and a dog is a dog. You can call it a reflexive property of sorts. But yeah, I like what he's saying so far. So, let's hear him out.
And the probability that a particle that's at some place will be at some different place later is given by a very simple rule. It uses a quantity called the action, which is to do with the mass of the particle and the time.
Action, of course. I love action movies, and it's pretty critical in quantum mechanics, quantum physics, for actions to occur. Let's keep going.
Time and the distance, and you basically calculate these little quantities, which are to do with something called the action, and you add them up. So if I start with an electron in one corner of the room, and I say, what's the probability at some time later it'll be somewhere else? Then at every point in the room, you can assign a probability that it will be there at a later point with one simple rule, and that's it. Now, this is called the path integral formulation of quantum mechanics.
That path integral formation of quantum mechanics, pretty basic stuff, but if you don't understand it, I would just give it a Google search to get a better background prior to watching this video. But yeah, this is all pretty basic. I like what he's saying.